Social media has become an integral part of our lives, connecting people from all corners of the world and providing a platform for self-expression. But what does the future hold for this ever-evolving medium? Brace yourself, because we are about to embark on a journey that will take us from likes to holograms, unveiling the exciting possibilities that await us in the realm of social media. Augmented reality, enhancing our digital presence. Imagine being able to step into a digital world where you can interact with virtual objects and characters as if they were right in front of you. This is the promise of augmented reality, AR, which is set to revolutionize social media. With AR technology integrated into popular platforms like Facebook and Instagram, users will be able to overlay digital content onto their real-world surroundings. Why is this important? Well, imagine attending a live concert through your smartphone or tablet, with virtual avatars of your favorite artists performing right in your living room. You can share this experience with friends and family across different locations, creating unforgettable memories together. Virtual reality, stepping into new realms. If augmented reality brings digital content into our physical space, then virtual reality, VR, takes us on immersive journeys beyond our wildest dreams. VR headsets transport users into entirely new realms where they can explore fantastical landscapes or engage in thrilling adventures. How does this relate to social media? Well, picture attending a virtual gathering with friends from around the globe. Instead of simply texting or video chatting online, you can meet up in a shared VR environment and feel like you're physically present together. Holographic communication, breaking barriers. While AR and VR offer incredible experiences within our own devices or headsets, holographic communication takes things one step further by breaking down geographical barriers altogether. This futuristic technology enables individuals to project their holographic selves into any location, allowing for face-to-face interactions regardless of physical distance. Imagine attending a business meeting or catching up with friends through holographic communication. It would be like having a virtual teleportation device that brings people together in the most realistic way possible. This has immense potential for social media platforms, as it opens up new avenues for connection and collaboration. Personalized content, tailored to perfection. Social media algorithms have come a long way in understanding our preferences and delivering content we might find interesting. However, the future holds even greater advancements in personalized content delivery. With the help of artificial intelligence, AI, social media platforms will be able to analyze vast amounts of data about users' interests, behaviors, and demographics. This will enable them to curate feeds that are tailored specifically to each individual's preferences. Imagine opening your favorite social media app and being greeted by a feed filled with content perfectly suited to your tastes, from articles and videos related to your hobbies, to updates from friends who share similar interests. This level of personalization will enhance user experience and ensure that every scroll through your feed is engaging and relevant. Enhanced privacy measures, protecting your digital identity. As technology continues its rapid advancement, concerns over privacy have become increasingly prevalent among social media users. In response, platforms are investing heavily in enhanced privacy measures that give individuals more control over their digital identities. In the future, we can expect improved encryption methods, stronger security features, and transparent data policies aimed at safeguarding user information. Social media companies understand the importance of trust between themselves and their users. After all, without trust, there can be no meaningful connections online. Conclusion. The future of social media is an exciting one indeed. From augmented reality bringing digital content into our real-world surroundings, virtual reality transporting us into immersive realms, holographic communication breaking down geographical barriers, personalized content tailored specifically to our preferences, to enhanced privacy measures protecting our digital identities, the possibilities are endless. As we embrace these advancements, it is important to remember that social media's true power lies in its ability to connect people in meaningful ways. Whether it's through likes, holograms, or any other form of communication yet to be discovered, let us use this incredible tool for positive interactions and genuine connections. The future is bright, and with social media at the forefront of innovation, we can look forward to a world where distance becomes irrelevant and human connection knows no bounds.